Hey everyone, welcome to Patriotic Week. Let me show you some of the items that we will be using during Patriotic Week. I have the Flags and Frills collection from American Crafts. So I do have some ephemera that I will try to use. And here's some more. There's a bunch of tags. It looks like I'm going to have to make a mini album. And then these little puffy stickers that are super cute. They're dimensional puffy stickers. Super cute. I'll have to use those, figure those out. And then I did purchase the die set. So here's what they make. I believe that will do well with that. And then I have this is KS Crafts American Heart, and I think I'm going to make a mini album out of that. We shall see what I make. And then I do have KS Crafts Summer Words, and I'm not sure what they say, but we will find out together. Definitely use some of my scraps to make that. And then I do have the Flags and Frills 12 by 12 paper, and this is double-sided. I did buy this from Office Supply, but here's a sneak peek of that paper. It is double-sided. That's pretty, and I have some plans for it for sure. Oh, I love that blue plaid. And then here's the floral in the back of it. Look at that. It is our 250th birthday, so I definitely want to celebrate that. I was actually here for the bicentennial in 1976, and so it's kind of special to me to, actually live through both of those. But anyway, just show you a quick peek of the paper, and I believe it repeats itself. Yeah, it looks like it does. So there's 2 sheets of each paper to use. All right, and then I want to go ahead and tell you about, I am doing America's 250th birthday open hop invitation. The rules are, you will make a shaped mini album, folio, or notebook. No rectangles or squares. And the rule number 2 is patriotic red, white, and blue or vintage heritage theme. You're going to upload your video to your YouTube channel on Saturday, June 27th at 9 a.m. Central Time. And then you will use the hashtag shaped 250th hop. And you will tag me at Daisy Deb Crafts in your video and description. And I will, if you let me know that you're doing it, please comment below and let me know that you want to be in the America's 250th birthday open hop. And I will include you, and we will make a, a playlist and include all of those videos on it. So just let me know in the comments below if you want to participate in that hop. Anyway, guys, I will see you on Tuesday with a tutorial, and then Wednesday with a video at 3 p.m., Tuesday at 3 p.m., and then Saturday at 10 a.m. for Patriotic Week. All right, guys, have a great week.